In the beginning there was verb, in the beginning there was number, in the beginning there was sound. Greetings, this is Gaspar, and this is Sitara, a speculative music school. What would you say if I tell you that each planet sings one sound, a sound that escapes what is audible and our sensory perception? What would you say if that sound is linked with the other sounds that also escape our ear? What would you definitely say if we could sketch the idea of music of the spheres from deriving astronomical data? As it is said for many, quadrivium has been the most robust basis for teaching science, basis I use with my students. It shows the relations between arithmetics, geometry and astronomy. Oh, and music. In this video we are going to obtain the musical notes of all planets, which light is visible, that is, until Saturn. Sound is the particularity of the wave phenomena that occurs between the boundaries of our ear perception. Ear resonates with the frequencies from 20 up to 20,000 Hz. Now let's imagine we are a giant, and so that our ear actually can hear all oscillations in the universe. We are the macrocosmos giant. We now watch our solar system, where every single body orbits a bigger one, and it does so in period of time. Frequency is the inverse of this period. If a planet would round the sun in just 1 second, it would vibrate at 1 Hz. That is just not possible here. Only planet Earth spends 365.25 days, so that you know here where I go with this. Our example would be Jupiter. Jupiter needs 11.86 years to orbit the Sun, that is 374,368,241 seconds, and as frequency is the inverse of this period, it gives 2.67 something times 10 to the power of -9, which is nearly nothing. Only that is not. We know that the note in frequency times 2 is the same note, but an octave higher. That applies here. The frequency of Jupiter times 2 to the power of 37, we raise the sound 37 octaves, results in 367.12 Hz. And as we can look now into the chart, it is an F-sharp note. Ta-da! Now, if we do the same for the rest of the bodies, we'll derive their notes. That's simple. We can also see that the notes are not exact values, but nature is not that exact either. That pretty much sums up the physics part of speculative music. Remember that you can now study both physics and metaphysics of music on this, the first speculative music school in centuries maybe. Share this video and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Offic greetings.